Tight tolerances are a critical aspect of the manufacturing industry, particularly in the production of complex and high-precision components. Tight tolerances refer to the allowable deviation from the specified dimensions of a part or component. In other words, it is the degree of accuracy required in the manufacturing process to ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. Tight tolerances are essential in industries such as aerospace, medical, and automotive, where precision and accuracy are paramount. Manufacturing companies that offer tight tolerance services use advanced equipment and technology to achieve the required level of accuracy. This includes computer-aided design, CAD, software, high-precision machining tools, and quality control systems. The manufacturing process involves several stages, including design, prototyping, testing, and production. Each stage requires careful attention to detail to ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. Tight tolerances are particularly important in the aerospace industry, where even the slightest deviation from the required specifications can have catastrophic consequences. For example, a small error in the manufacturing of an aircraft engine component can result in engine failure, which can lead to a fatal accident. Similarly, in the medical industry, tight tolerances are essential in the production of medical devices such as pacemakers and implants, where precision and accuracy are critical to ensure patient safety. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality components for various industries, including aerospace, medical, and automotive. The company has extensive experience in the manufacturing of complex and high-precision components, and its services include tight-tolerance machining. Berkness Company uses advanced equipment and technology to achieve the required level of accuracy, and its quality control systems ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. If you are looking for a manufacturing company that offers tight tolerance services, Berkness Company is an excellent choice. The company has a team of experienced professionals who are committed to delivering high-quality products that meet the needs of its clients. To learn more about Berkness Company services, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. You can also request a quote or schedule a consultation with one of the company's experts to discuss your specific needs. FAQs. 1. What are tight tolerances in manufacturing? Tight tolerances refer to the narrow range of acceptable measurements or specifications for a particular part or product. In manufacturing, tight tolerances are often required to ensure that parts fit together properly, function correctly, and meet quality standards. 2. Why are tight tolerances important in manufacturing? Tight tolerances are important in manufacturing because they help to ensure consistency and accuracy in the production process. When parts are made to precise specifications, they are more likely to fit together correctly and function as intended. This can help to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and increase product quality. 3. How are tight tolerances achieved in manufacturing? Tight tolerances can be achieved in manufacturing through a variety of methods, including precision machining, advanced measurement and inspection techniques, and strict quality control processes. collaboration between design engineers and manufacturing teams can help to identify and address potential issues early in the production process.